Okay, we're back here. This is actually one of my original facilities where Mega Big Power actually originally built this facility, and we used to have rows and rows of racking. It's something you can see some older videos online. What we've done now is we've reconfigured the entire facility so that all the power is actually pulled to the back, and it's used in one single massive wall of power. What this sort of exercises is the design concept that we'll do a single row of racking inside of each pod that's extremely tall and extremely dense. The gaps you see behind me are actually more a function of rebuilding this facility than the actual design that will go in the pod. So imagine the racking end to end, packed solid with miners. There's still capacity in these racks, believe it or not. There's literally a spot right here that represents basically about 1,455 watt tokens. Is that one little spot? That's how much room it takes to use that much power when you're running an S9 in this configuration. So we wanted to show you this because it's a good illustration of where the design goal is headed. It's not a perfect example of construction and engineering, but this has dramatically improved the function and the performance of the S9s in these racks. Believe me, it's really uncomfortably warm on this side of the rack right now, but if we walked around to the other side, it's actually nice and comfortable and cool. So the airflow that's coming into the miners on the important end is actually quite comfortable and cool, and then all the hot exhaust is coming out here where it can be exhausted by the fans. So that's a pretty good view, I think, into what it's going to be looking like inside of a pod, only much more compressed to not waste as much space as we have in this big building that I'm standing in right now.